What if one book could help you practice like you're already sitting in the real SAP certification exam? Imagine walking into your SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition Implementation Consultant certification with confidence because you've already solved hundreds of realistic, consultant-level scenarios. If you're serious about becoming an SAP consultant or advancing your ERP career, stay with me, because this book was created specifically for you. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm excited to introduce a brand new certification preparation guide designed for professionals, students, functional consultants, ERP specialists, and anyone preparing for the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition Implementation Consultant certification. This isn't another theory book. This is a complete exam-focused practice guide built around original, scenario-based questions that help you think like a real implementation consultant. Many candidates spend weeks reading documentation but still struggle during the exam. Why? Because SAP certification questions don't simply ask you to remember definitions. They present business scenarios, customer requirements, configuration decisions, implementation challenges, project life cycle situations, and you have to choose the best consultant response. That's where this book makes a difference. Instead of endless theory, you'll build practical decision-making skills through realistic practice exams. Let's take a quick look at what's included. Heavy checkmark more than 500 original certification-style practice questions. Heavy checkmark scenario-based business cases. Heavy checkmark detailed explanations for every answer. Heavy checkmark domain-wise practice tests. Heavy checkmark coverage aligned with the latest certification objectives. Heavy checkmark consultant tips and implementation insights. Heavy checkmark business process scenarios. Heavy checkmark SAP Activate Concepts. Heavy checkmark configuration decision questions. Heavy checkmark data migration scenarios. Heavy checkmark testing and deployment questions. Heavy checkmark integration concepts. Heavy checkmark business role and organizational structure questions. Heavy checkmark rapid revision cheat sheets. Heavy checkmark consultant memory tricks. Heavy checkmark final exam checklist. Heavy checkmark quick revision tables. Heavy checkmark frequently confused concepts. Heavy checkmark common certification mistakes to avoid. Everything is organized to help you progress step by step, from learning the exam blueprint to mastering advanced implementation scenarios. One of the biggest challenges in certification preparation is finding practice questions that actually teach you something. In this guide, every explanation goes beyond simply giving the correct answer. You learn why the correct answer is right, why the other options are incorrect, what SAP consultants would do in real implementation projects, common mistakes candidates make, important exam tips, related SAP concepts for deeper understanding. This approach helps you build confidence instead of relying on memorization. This guide is ideal for SAP beginners, implementation consultants, functional consultants, ERP professionals, business analysts, IT professionals, students preparing for certification, professionals transitioning into SAP consulting. Whether you're preparing for your first certification or refreshing your implementation knowledge, this book is designed to support your learning journey. Here's a simple study strategy. Week 1. Understand the certification blueprint. Week 2. Complete the first few domain-wise practice tests. Week 3. Review explanations carefully and identify weak areas. Week 4. Complete the remaining practice tests. During the final week, use the cheat sheets, rapid revision notes, and final readiness checklist to reinforce key concepts. Consistent practice combined with careful review can make a significant difference in your preparation. Professional certifications are more than passing an exam. They're about developing the knowledge and judgment needed for real-world consulting. This book was created to help you strengthen those skills through structured practice and realistic scenarios. If you're ready to take the next step toward your SAP certification goals, check out the book using the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more SAP certification content, practice questions, implementation tips, and career guidance. Also, let me know in the comments. Which SAP certification are you preparing for next? Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best in your SAP certification journey. See you in the next video.